Good evening, I am Dr. Nandita Mohan and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. Here are the latest reports for you today. Tralokinumab and topical corticosteroids combination effective in severe atopic dermatitis. Atopic dermatitis is a common chronic or a recurrent inflammatory skin disease and affects approximately 15 to 20% of children and 1 to 3% of adults worldwide. Its management has always been under research, and recently a team of researchers have revealed that tralokinumab 300 mg prescribed along with topical corticosteroids as needed was effective and well tolerated in patients with severe atopic dermatitis. Smoking cessation found to help reduce cardiovascular disease risk. It is a known fact that smoking cigarettes increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases, strokes, respiratory problems, etc. A study supporting this statement has shown that smoking cessation but not reduction alone reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. Therefore, the message that points out, stay healthy, quit smoking. Peri-implantitis, known to be the leading cause for implant removal. Replacement of missing teeth is always recommended by dental care professionals, and with the advancement in technology, dental implants are the new choice. But a leading research study has shown that peri-implantitis is the major cause for dental implant failure. So, to keep your implants safe, dental hygiene needs to be well maintained. Diabetic peripheral neuropathy causes cognitive decline in type 2 diabetes patients. A recent study has highlighted the association between diabetic peripheral neuropathy with lower cognitive performance in people with type 2 diabetes. It has been observed that diabetic peripheral neuropathy was found to be inversely as well as significantly associated with measures of immediate recall and processing speed, thereby causing a cognitive decline in such patients. Chronic pain, sleep quality, and mental distress strongly are related, suggests a recent study. Musculoskeletal pain generally affects the bones, joints, ligaments, tendons, or even muscles. It may be induced due to an injury like fractures, which may result in sudden and extreme pain. The musculoskeletal pain often interferes with the usual activities like sleep, for instance. Chronic musculoskeletal pain, sleep quality, and mental distress are strongly linked according to a recent study published in the Journal of Sleep Research. That's all for today.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.